In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image on Wix in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your site's visuals or switching out old content for something new, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. First, we'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you're already logged into your Wix account, you'll want to find the site that you're working on. Once you're on the dashboard, select the appropriate site, which will bring you to the Wix editor interface. If you haven't already logged in, simply enter your credentials to access your site. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, your site's layout will be displayed along with its various elements. Now, it's time to select the image you wish to change. Scroll through your page until you locate the image. It's as simple as clicking on the image. This action will highlight the image and bring up a small menu that gives you several options such as crop, settings, and change image. The option we're interested in is change image, so go ahead and click that. After clicking change image, a new window will open, showing you all the media that is currently available in your library. This is where you can choose a new image to replace the existing one from your library. But what if you want to upload a new image that isn't currently in your library? Wix has got you covered. Just look for the upload media button, which should be easily recognizable. Click on it and you'll be prompted to browse through your device's files to select your new image. Once you've found it, select it and click open. This will upload the image to your Wix media library. After the upload is complete, your image will be available to use. You can now select your newly uploaded image from the library. Clicking on it will display an option to apply or replace the current image on your site. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click the apply button to save the changes. Now, your website should feature your new image perfectly positioned where the old one used to be. Remember, any updates or changes in the editor aren't visible until you publish them. So, to make your changes visible to your site visitors, make sure you hit the publish button in the top right corner. And there you have it, you've successfully changed an image on your Wix site. With these few straightforward steps, you can keep your website looking fresh and engaging. Thanks for following along and happy site editing.